Welcome to day 73 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour value gap, 4-hour order block, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. Once it was inside of the golden zone, I waited for price to react with the order block, and then I entered on a break structure in the lower time frames. So I entered on this candle right here. Take profits were number one, the beginning of this 4-hour order block, since the risk reward ratio was like 1-to-1, so that was fine. Second TP at the swing high, stop loss below the low with a little breathing room. I got stopped out just barely, and then price went just completely shot up. And what I can take from this trade is obviously to give my stop loss a bit more breathing room. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was also a loss, and the reasons why I entered were 4-hour fair value gap right here, 4-hour order block, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, and a break structure in the lower time frames. Once price went into like this order block, and then I entered on a break of structure, so I entered right here, this break of structure. Take profits were number one, beginning of this 3-hour fair value gap, and number two, the swing high. And the reasons as to why I was kind of hesitant to enter this trade was because of this huge 4-hour fair value gap that was like being created while I was entering. And so I guess what I can take from this trade is to not enter for a trade when like a fair value gap is currently being formed. Yeah, I guess. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was a huge win, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium in the daily chart, as you can see from the swing low to the swing high. It's even better, you can see it even better in the weekly chart. And then there's this daily order block. So once it was inside of the golden zone and inside of the order block, I entered on a break of structure in the lower time frames. So I entered, hold up, let me, damn, it's so small. I entered right here on this candle, and my take profits, I also made them like in the daily or in the 4-hour chart. As you can see, there's this huge consolidation right here, volume area, first TP fit with the daily BPR, so an even better TP. Next TP, this area of liquidity, or the high that was made of the consolidation. And then my third and fourth TP were like really greedy. I kind of felt that I was getting carried away, and so I moved my stop loss once my second TP was hit. And also another reason as to why I entered was because of, again, this AMD or power of 3 model, consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. Fit perfectly with all the things that I said, so that's the reasons why I entered. And that's already it for today's episode. We'll see you in the next one.